Welcome to everyone. Today we will see that concave lens. Before you should subscribe my YouTube channel videos, likes, comment, share it. Don't forget click the bell buttons. Yeah, lens. Since the beginning of time, human beings have been able to do some pretty remarkable things. The lens is one of the major discoveries made by humans. Although one cannot say when or how the lens was discovered, it is clear that at some point in the past, ancient people realized that they could manipulate light using a piece of glass. Humans used lens to make distant objects appear near, smaller objects appear large and clear. A concave lens. A concave lens is a type of lens that diverges a straight light beam coming from the source to a diminished, upright visual image is known as a concave lens. It can be from both real and virtual images. Concave lens have at least one surface curved inside. A concave lens, also known as diverging lens, because they are shaped round inwards at the center and bulges out through the edges, making the light diverge on it. They are used for treatment of myopia as they make faraway objects look smaller than they really are. Image formation in concave lens. When an object is placed at infinity, a virtual image is formed at the focus. The size of image is much smaller as compared to that of the object. When an object is placed at finite distance from the lens, a virtual image is formed between the ball and focus of concave lens. The size of image is smaller as compared to that of the object. Uses of concave lens. Some uses of concave lens are listed below. Used in telescope and binoculars. Concave lenses are used in telescope and binocular to magnify objects, as a convex lens creates bulbs and distraction. Telescope and binocular manufacture install concave lens before or in the eyepiece so that a person can focus more clearly. Concave lens used in glasses. Concave lenses are most commonly used to correct myopia, which is also called as nearsightedness. The eyeball of a person suffering from myopia is too long and image of faraway objects fall short of the retina. Therefore, concave lenses are used in glasses which correct the shortfall by spreading out the light rays before it reaches the eyeball. This enables the person to see faraway objects more clearly. Use of concave lens in cameras. To improve the quality of photographs, combination of convex and concave lens. It is used by camera manufacturers. When only convex lens is used as the primary lens of camera, it causes distraction in the photos, which is called chromatic aberration. Combining of both concave and convex eliminated the undesirable effects. Used in flashlights. Concave lenses are also used in flashlight In order to magnify the light produced by the source, the light rays follow on the hollow sides of the lens, and the light rays diverge on the other side. This increases the radius of light source and thus provide a wider beam